me now is my classmate from Ateneo de Manila.
Good morning.
High School 75.
Good morning to all.
Pare,
Pleasure.
first time natin gagawin to as
Yes.
classmates.
Yes.
Ini-interview kita. Alam mo bakit ini-interview kita?
Bakit, Christopher?
First, it started with my classmate also, si Henry Abreu.
Okay.
Sabi ni Henry Abreu sa akin, pare, mag-golf ka. Sabi ko, bakit? Kailangan mo ng vitamin D eh.
Okay.
Sabi niya. Alam mo nung una, hindi ko pinapansin eh.
Okay.
No? Alam ko matalino si Henry Abreu eh.
Yes, yes.
So sabi ko, I think this guy makes sense.
Uh-huh.
O ngayon, nasan tayo? We're actually
Under the sun.
under the sun. Alright?
UV rays.
UV rays. okay.
UV violet.
Now, we're trying to make it funny, but because
It's
we're senior
health.
citizen,
Yes.
and ako, I'm 69, ilan taon ka na?
Turning 69.
Mas matanda ako sa'yo,
Yes.
di ba? We need to be healthy.
Correct.
Correct.
Naturally.
Natural. Yung itong sun na nasa taas natin,
Uh-huh.
gives us vitamin D.
The sun does not directly.
Ayun! Gusto ko malaman.
Yes,
Sige,
it does
explain mo.
not give us vitamin D.
Okay?
But it helps converts a certain kind of cholesterol in our body
Okay.
to vitamin D.
Ulitin
So,
natin, ha?
Under our skin, we have this kind of cholesterol.
Under our skin.
Under our
Okay,
skin.
okay.
Now, when you expose this cholesterol under our skin,
Hmm.
if it is absorbed or exposed to the ultraviolet rays of the sun,
Mhm.
this cholesterol converts into vitamin D.
So,
that's
it has
why-
also something to do with the sun.
Well, the sun
Di ba?
converts.
Oo.
The sun rays convert the cholesterol into vitamin D.
Oo. So kailangan pala, kamukha nito, naka-expose.
Yes, yes.
But kung, pare, ito it may
Oo.
sound a little bit, pero kung completely naked ka, mas maganda.
Pwede.
Ha?
Pwede.
Kasi kamukha ngayon, ito,
Yeah.
skin lang on the arms eh.
Correct.
Kaya problema, nakadamit ako eh.
Correct.
O hindi pa paano yung cholesterol sa ilalim ko, it doesn't convert into vitamin D.
It will not.
It will not kasi
Oo.
it's being covered by
Correct.
in my pants. So maganda pala rin yung nagsiswimming ka kung gano'n.
Correct.
Swimming.
Yes.
Okay.
Swimming.
I see. Kasi kung nag-swimming ka, nakaspeedo ka lang eh.
Oh, yes.
Then it's good.
So you have more skin exposure.
Eh paano yung nag-swimming ka? Okay, ako let's say you swim, let's say freestyle. Ang tinatamaan yung likod mo.
Yeah.
Right? Yung likod. So kailangan mag-backstroke ka rin.
Pwede.
Now we're making it a joke pero
Yes, yes.
it makes sense, right?
It's logical, yes.
Logical.
Uh-huh.
So basta as long as there's sun, kahit may tubig,
As long
okay
as
lang.
there is exposure.
Exposure.
Yes.
Okay.
It's like swimming, balik na rin natin.
Oh.
May swimming pool ka.
Correct.
Pero covered yung swimming pool mo.
Yun.
yun.
Walang kwenta yung indoor swimming pool pala.
So when is the exposure? Covered yung swimming pool.
Correct. Okay. At saka ito walang bola-bola ito, no?
Yeah, no.
Kasi galing yung explanation mo
Yes.
kay ChatGPT.
At saka-
Paano pakibasa mo nga?
May-
Kasi, we do some research now eh. Kung ayaw nyo maniwala sa amin,
Okay.
you go to Google or ChatGPT. Correct?
Correct.
Di ba? So, para maintindihan nyo. Kasi, tinatanong ko rin sa aking classmate, what does vitamin do to your body?
Okay.
Tama?
Yes.
Kasi, kamukha niyan, we're getting... Oh, ito po, lakas! Grabe naman to. Ang lakas naman ng music dito. Okay. So, we're actually on the roof deck dito sa IBIS, no? Medyo... They're trying to make the music so loud. But anyway, yun, binabahan na. So, marami akong tanong ngayon kasi,
Okay.
syempre, we're getting old, you know? As much as possible, as much as possible, it's better the natural way
Yes.
than just drinking all the medicines.
Correct.
Di ba? Kasi
This is something
Di ba?
natural
natural,
and it's free.
and it's free. Like, kanina ang binanggit mo sa akin according to ChatGPT, yung kasi tinanong ko sa'yo why do we need vitamin D? Sabi mo, it will make your bones stronger.
Yes.
Kasi habang tumatanda tayo, di ba? We're almost 70 na, our bones, they weaken.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Nag-weaken eh. Hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin na pagtanda mo, yung bones mo parang bata pa eh.
Yes. Yes.
So if you want to heal your bones, making it stronger, tama ba o hindi?
well,
You need some sun rays.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Because vitamin D,
Oo.
well,
Yan, binabasa niya sa ChatGPT.
ChatGPT
Okay.
helps your body absorb calcium, important for bones and teeth.
Di ba sandali, ang calcium salt, di ba? Hindi. O mali ako.
Not really.
Oh, okay. It absorbs.
Absorbs, yes.
Ina-absorb niya yung calcium.
For bones and teeth. And
Yung
then-
pumasok na calcium sa body mo.
Yes. But not necessarily.
Ano ba?
Not
Di ba yung
necessarily.
calcium galing sa mga salt, kamihan, yung mga, saka
yes.
mga patis, di ba? So nakakatulong siya.
Yes.
In effect.
But too much of salt, medyo masama rin.
Oh, lahat masama na. Too much of salt, too much of sugar.
Ganun eh. That's
So
why-
kailangan lahat ayusin mo, no? In moderation.
Yes,
no?
in moderation.
Well, to be healthy,
Yeah.
you need to research nowadays.
Yeah. And as much as possible,
Para yung mic, baka di ka marinig,
now we can be healthy naturally.
Naturally.
Like sunlight,
Yeah.
like going to the beach,
Correct.
breathing fresh air, playing golf, like what Mr. Rafi Timalante is
Correct.
doing
Kanya
right
yung goal
now.
pala, talagang okay.
Yes.
Okay, may tanong ko doon. Kanya siguro yung mga puti, mahilig magpa-araw,
Yes.
papasunog.
Uh-huh.
Pero yun, over na yun, di ba? Over sun na yun. Nagpapasunog na yun eh.
Yes.
Nagkakaroon ng skin cancer na sila eh.
Yeah, because there sometimes, personally, there are times during the day that
Oh.
the sun, the ultraviolet rays of the sun are too much to bear.
Okay.
Too much.
Too much to bear.
So,
So, anything over, masama rin.
correct.
anything
Everything moderate.
So, ano yung moderate? Let's say, kamukha ngayon, it's 11:15.
Okay. Well, they say that,
How long should you stay in the sun?
well, approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Ako, I do it sunrise from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m.
That's the best.
For me.
Yun yung morning sun na healthy.
Morning sun healthy. Yeah.
Oh, pero paano yung mga nag-golf ng 2 p.m.? Hindi na healthy yun. Yung
Well,
mga afternoon sun na.
it helps, but again, if you're in a golf course, may nakompromise yung nature eh.
Oh.
It's not all heat. It's the fresh air.
Kailangan pala, sabi ko kay Henry Abreu, yung nag-advise sa akin.
Yung?
Pare, kailangan pala mauso yung naked golf.
Yeah.
Hindi, no, it's a joke, no?
Oo.
Pero, di ba,
Oo.
kasi ibang nag-golf, di ba, ayaw maarawan.
Correct, correct.
Lahat kinukuberan.
Uh-huh.
Naka long sleeves,
Okay.
lahat may cover.
Tama.
Piti mo ka, ang dami mga sunscreen, di ba?
Paano papasok
Paano papasok
yung
sa sun,
sun
di ba?
rays mo sa skin mo?
Siguro pag narinig to, baka mauso na yung naked golf.
Pwede.
O wag naman naked golf, no? Let's say, siguro, playing in the sun, naka-shorts.
Or-
Naka-shorts ka man lang, para
Well,
hindi naked.
Oh, loose clothing lang.
Use clothes.
And then show some
Baka
skin
magba-
exposure.
Skin exposure. Well, it sounds like a joke, pero
No, but
pero
again,
kung babasahin mo yung sinasabi,
Uh-huh.
ulitin natin, yung ating skin, is it underneath the skin is cholesterol.
Yes.
It's our cholesterol underneath the skin.
Uh-huh.
And if you burn that using the sun,
If you convert,
if you burn it converts.
It converts.
You're actually burning it, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya ka pinapawisan eh.
Correct. Yung pawis mo, ako tingin ko,
Oh.
months ito, yun yung toxic. Ito na
Yun yung toxic.
Parang excess toxic.
Kamukha to, hindi pa ako pinapawisan.
Hindi pa. So, kulang pa.
Kulang pa. So, mas maganda kung pawisan tayo.
Correct.
Sandali.
Not necessarily.
Ako pinapawisan ako pag nasa steam room ako.
Yun.
Pero walang sun.
Eh, Steve naman.
Stick naman.
Oo.
Okay na rin yun.
Pwede na yun.
Eh, walang sun yun, ha?
Okay lang.
Walang
Kasi-
vitamin D yun.
Kasi itong sun,
Oo.
that's a natural way of converting.
Okay.
I don't know, heat, they say,
Oh,
pagka pinapawisan ka, like, for example, sa sauna,
sauna.
okay,
Oh.
that is correct. It makes sense. Yung cholesterol mo, nababurn na, pinapawisan mo.
Correct. Oo. Wala nang exposure to the sun.
Wala na. That's another way.
Okay.
So, when you, ito, parang you melt the cholesterol.
Pare, pag hindi tayo pinawisan, di useless ng ginagawa natin. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Okay, okay pa rin, okay pa
As
rin.
it is right now, the
Okay.
sunlight, the sun rays are converting already
Correct.
our
correct.
cholesterol. You don't have to perspire. Layman ito ha, I'm not a doctor.
Okay, okay. Alam mo,
But,
I appreciate
Oo.
what we're talking about kasi we're sharing it.
correct,
We're
correct.
sharing it.
And then, all this subject to further research on a personal level. You can talk to your doctor.
Yeah, yeah.
You can confer with them, or this is what they read in social media.
O sige, nabasa mo na ba yung sinabi ni ChatGPT lahat yan? Pakibasa mo lang kasi para pag pinakinggan ko to, I could listening is better than di ba? Kasi pwede kong i-rewind ulit eh. Yan ang nagagawa ng mga YouTube eh. Kasi ilalagay natin sa YouTube to. Kaya kung nagdududa kayo, well, just have to research.
Yeah.
No, what vitamin D can do to your body. Diba? Kasi yung iba, sumusunod, they don't really know bakit sila sumusunod eh. So, hopefully, sa tingin ko, ginawa ng Diyos yung sun kasi
Correct.
kailangan sa health natin eh.
Correct, correct.
Diba? Eh kawawa yung pa lang yung mga nasa Arctic na hindi tinatamaan ng sun. Wala silang vitamin D. Hindi
Okay.
palaging malamig.
Yeah.
Hindi nila halos makita yung sun.
Mm.
Correct?
Pwede, yeah, makes
Yeah,
sense.
it will make a lot of sense. You know?
Uh-huh.
And also, ako naman, ang explanation ko doon, pag pinawisan ka at may sun ka, ginigising na yung tinatawag na endorphins mo.
Yun.
It wakes up your endorphins. That's why, pag naligo ka na, parang
You feel light.
you feel good.
Uh-huh. Feel fresh.
Oo, kesa yung naligo ka lang, na hindi ka tinamaan ng sun, hindi ka
Correct.
tinamaan ng pawis. Ano ka lang, na-refresh ka lang.
Yes.
Di ba?
Agree.
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 Na-refresh ka lang. Kaya nakapon si paring Rafi, di ba?
Oo nga.
Mukhang buhay ng buhay kasi
Fresh.
galing sa golf eh.
18 holes.
O sige, explain mo na pare.
Huh?
At para yung mga viewers ni Rolly Baron, matuwa naman at we are sharing something that's good for the health because we're getting older every day and we need to be healthy every day.
Okay. Disclaimer muna tayo ng konti.
O sige, sige.
Disclaimer.
May
Again,
tumatawag, mamaya ako na sasagutin to.
sige.
Okay, okay. May tumatawag sa akin.
Anyway,
Oh.
all this, I'm reading verbatim
Hmm.
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
It states here that the first step, your skin is exposed to sunlight, UVB rays,
UV rays, okay.
and it converts a cholesterol-based compound into vitamin D.
Wow.
But
Good
you can-
explanation.
But you can get vitamin D from food and supplements.
Ay, pwede rin.
Pwede, like
Oo.
food, you have the egg yolks, salmon,
So, gala, yung egg yolk, yung pula o yung puti?
yan yata yung yellow.
Yung yellow, yung nasa
Yeah.
gitna. Okay.
Or supplements,
Okay.
over-the-counter vitamin D.
Ay, pero hindi natural.
Hindi natural.
Oo. Ginamit mo sa pagkain at saka supplements.
Between, personally, between
Oh.
vitamin D, supplements, and the sunlight, I go for the natural sunlight.
okay. Unless na talagang nasa Arctica hindi available.
Yeah.
Kasi walang araw dun halos eh.
And then,
Okay.
And then why you need this? It supports the immune system. It
What? It supports what?
immune system.
It supports the immune system.
Immune system,
Ah.
immune function, and then it also helps your bones.
Yun ang kailangan natin.
Yes.
Yung bones eh. Kasi nagiging ano na, luma na yung mga bones natin eh.
Okay, ito, nakalagay dito. Keeps your bones strong
Yun.
and support many important functions.
Alright. Alam mo, I will share that to my mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Kasi kaka-check up lang niya, bones daw ang i-check.
Yes.
Eh baka iba yung sasabihin ng doktor, no?
Well,
samantalang ito, natural to, para sa
oh,
bones.
some doctors might say
Para yung mic mo, ha?
vitamin D deficiency.
Vitamin D, yeah.
So case by case, no?
Oh.
And then the doctor might require you medication or vitamins, or to include the natural medicine, which is daily exposure to sunlight.
Correct.
Yun lang.
Oh,
So there's a traditional way and non-traditional natural way.
You know, besides, kaya naniniwala ako dyan, during the olden days,
Yes.
wala namang mga vitamins eh.
Wala.
Pero people could live up to 90 to 100.
Yes.
Wala namang vitamins.
Wala.
Nung pumasok na lang yung mga doktor at saka yung mga pharmaceutical, doon nagkaroon ng problema.
Well, not really problema.
Kasi
It's
kailangan
part
sila
of their-
kumita eh.
I know, but it's part of their
Oh.
traditional way of
Curing.
Yeah, traditional way.
Pero before it was not, everything was natural cure eh. Yun
Natural
ang sinasabi
cure.
ko eh.
Herb.
Again, shortcut eh.
Ngayon, shortcut.
Shortcut.
So again, it can be a judgment call.
yeah.
Okay, we can go traditional way
Yes.
or non-traditional way. It's a call of the patient, of that person, which is more comfortable.
Correct. O sige pare, tinatawagan
Okay.
ako ng wife ko.
Okay, you better
Pare.
report, pare.
Good.
A pleasure.
Thank you for sharing.
Anytime.
Ayos.